Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm about to show you a brand new unit that I absolutely love. If you're looking for something that's shorter, that has a slide, that has bunks, but also has everything that you want, even though it is shorter, this is a great unit. I'm excited to show you. Now, it is, like I said, 2025, so I want to know what you guys think of this. We're gonna go from the outside in, and you let me know. All right, let's go. Alright guys, we've got our Forest River Salem FSX 2025 model 178 BHSK. We have one slide on this side. I love the new colors. And then we've got a long awning on this side. And then let's see what we have down here. I cannot remember. Let's see. We've got a grill and a fridge. Nice. Very nice. You got your outdoor shower, and you do have your tankless, your on-demand water heater, and then you've got your backup camera prep as well. Very nice. So let's take a look inside. All right. So even though, like I said, it is a shorter unit, it has so much space right here in the middle. And a lot of that has to do with the fact that this is the couch over here, but it's also a bed. So you have a Murphy bed. This goes flat, and a queen size bed comes down. Now they do have it packaged up right now, so it's folded in half, but whenever it is not, it would be right back there, and then when you pull this flat, it comes down and is your queen size bed that you can get in on both sides. You have a table on both sides. You've got storage underneath those tables, and here you also have cubbies whenever you have your bed down, and then you got storage up here as well. Over here we've got a U-shaped dinette, which also goes into a big old couch or a bed, whichever you prefer. Of course, you'll take this down, put it down flat, and then you'll make it into a bed. But it's a nice size, big U-shaped dinette, which is really nice, and a beautiful window right outside as well. Over here we've got our kitchen, which again, it really does have all the things that you would need when you're going camping. So you've got your two burner, and you do have a microwave right there, along with storage right down below, and a nice size sink. And a little window right there. And then right above you do have more storage. You've got a nice size, a very nice size fridge as well, so all your goods are going to be just fine in this. And then over here we've got our bunk beds. Nice size. They're actually really wide. Both of them have privacy curtains, and both have windows, and then of course the chargers as well. And then you do have storage underneath. And to the right we have our bathroom, which is again very nice, spacious bathroom. Plenty of room. You're not going to hit your knees. You can stand in the shower, and then you do have storage in your sink area right here. So I want to know what you guys think of this little unit. I absolutely love it. I like it. It definitely is for if you're ready to go camping and you just need these things, and it's the whole family. This is a perfect unit. It's lightweight, and just you get out there and go. But again, I want to know what you guys think. So let me know. Call, text, email if you want any information. Of course, when you come through, make sure you do ask for Rachel in the Waco office. So I'd love to help you guys out. But until next time, guys.